Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Information. In this particular video, I will tell you dosages of Imodium. In the previous video, I had told you uses of Imodium. If you people did not watch this video, so go and watch that video. In that video, you will learn what are the main uses of Imodium. So let's come and I will tell you about the dosages of Imodium. But before starting, I will tell you most of the people don't care about the the dosages of this because most of the people take it tedious. It's mean one capsule morning, when one capsule is afternoon, and the third one is at evening time, because this is not correct dose. So the correct dose is the as that. So first of all, if someone has diarrhea, they should take two capsule states, and after each motion they should take one capsule until it's recovery. So this was the dosages of Imodium. Thank you very much.